Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best one-touch can opener for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. ProMotion Smart Technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best one-touch can opener for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The King Garden One-Touch Can Opener is a game-changing kitchen gadget designed to bring ease, speed, and safety to your daily cooking routine. Whether you're a busy parent, a senior with arthritis, or simply someone who values convenience, this electric can opener offers a smart solution to a common kitchen chore. With its market-leading speed, the King Garden Can Opener removes lids in just 20 seconds, far outperforming traditional manual can openers. What truly sets this device apart is its one-touch, hands-free operation. With a single press of a button, the opener smoothly rotates 360 degrees around the can, automatically cutting the lid with precision. Press the button again to stop it at any time, allowing you to multitask in the kitchen without any hassle. Its side-cut design enhances safety by eliminating sharp edges, ensuring there are no dangerous metal pieces or messy spills to worry about. This makes it especially ideal for seniors, children, and those with mobility challenges. Designed to be compatible with nearly all standard can sizes, the one-touch can opener easily handles everything from soups and sauces to canned vegetables and pet food. The only exception is rimless or irregular-shaped cans, but for the vast majority of daily use, this tool delivers consistently reliable results. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it's highly portable and compact, making it perfect not only for home kitchens but also for outdoor adventures like camping or picnics. Its small size allows for easy storage in any drawer, and its lightweight build ensures it can be carried effortlessly. Beyond its functional value, this can opener also makes a thoughtful gift. Whether it's for Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, or Halloween, it's especially appreciated by seniors, women, and anyone with joint pain or hand weakness. Practical, reliable, and user-friendly, the King Garden One-Touch Can Opener combines modern innovation with everyday usefulness, a must-have for any kitchen and a perfect way to show you care. Thanks for watching the video.